Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy garlic rolls. And for this you're going to need some rolls, which I've already cut up. I've just sliced them this way. We're using 5 teaspoons of garlic, fresh chopped up garlic, and then 5 tablespoons of margarine and a little bit of mixed herbs. So what we're going to do is mix our garlic with the butter or margarine. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so now that our garlic is a little bit mixed through, we're going to add some mixed herbs. Well, you will just throw in the mixed herbs, sprinkle a little bit in, so I can't really give you an exact measurement. You'll just see how much to add in. There we go. I think that would be equivalent to about maybe a half a teaspoon. But you can't really go wrong, you know, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be precise amount. So we mix it all together nicely. Just get it nice and mixed. Okay, so I'm going to take a fork just to get it better mixed. Okay, so now that it's all mixed through nicely, you can just take your knife and then you'll just butter the rolls like you normally butter rolls. Don't forget to put it inside the little cuts. A little bit of a messy one. But yeah, that's the gist of it. So it just depends on how garlicky and buttery you want your rolls to be. You will put that amount. Okay, you can use long rolls, you can use round rolls, doesn't matter which, either one is perfectly fine. Okay, so now all our garlic rolls is nice and buttered and garlicky. They're nice and ready just to be popped into the oven for a few minutes until they've turned nice and garlic brown. I mean golden brown. Okay, so I've preheated my oven on the grill option and they're ready to be popped in. Okay, so we still have some leftover garlic butter. This you're welcome to close up and put it in the fridge and keep it for next time. Okay, so our garlic rolls are nice and grilled, nice and crispy brown and ready to have. So today we are going to have our garlic rolls with some chicken soup. You're welcome to have your garlic rolls with soup. You can have them with your braais, whichever you prefer. I hope you guys enjoy this quick recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.